Actively welcome to USTAZ Digital Academy WhatsApp YouTube channel. So this is the day 2 of the 3 days AI Mastery and Graphic Design Bootcamp. Earlier yesterday we did class on live session, which we did with Google Meet. What we actually discussed is about InVideo AI, how to create content with InVideo AI. I know a lot of us might have been seeing some content online, some AI videos online, some content that even though they are going to give you money to believe that this is AI generated videos, you will never believe, but they are all created with AI. Below is just a sample design of what AI is all about. What you can see, this video is
Abaji election 2026 don land gidigba. 4 parties dey ground: APC, PDP, ADC and YPP. But who go carry the crown? Election no be play. Na strategy, street credibility and
all this video you can see here, they are all created with AI. And all design applies to this video are all created with AI.
Abaji
None of
2026. 4 parties,
AI
1
video
seat.
ones
And
are real. They are all created using
I
just
use AI
prompts
to make flyer.
with AI. Not only this, here are some few like
Tonight, we take back what was stolen. The upper world crumbs.
Rat Kingdom Tale,
We must find the
everything.
great cheddar.
All these are being created with AI
Silence,
just
young
using
one.
professional prompts. So actually, for I would like to teach you this, but actually I can't because it requires professional tools, something like using Gemini. I normally use Gemini to create these videos. As you can see here, I use Gemini to create them. But you need to get a professional, let me say a pro account before you can do that. So you have to pay for Google Pro before you get it. But if you want, I have an hack that I can help you get it for just 5,000 or 7,000. That is for those who are ready to get it, because actually I can't promise to give you free because I pay 10,000 naira to get access to this as well. So I'm just going to show you some free tools you can create professional designs with them using AI. As you can see here, all these images you are seeing here, they don't have all this color you are seeing attached to this profile here. It's because all these images here, they are all free accounts. That is, I'm not using any pro feature of Google. It's only this one I'm using pro feature of Google. That is why you can see this thing showing here. So as you can see, just click on this option. After clicking on this option, then you scroll down. Let me just show you something. I'm coming. I know you meet. Here is some examples of what I created with Gemini. But as I said earlier, it requires premium
بسم
software
الله
to create.
والحمد
As you can
لله
see,
والصلاة
all those videos
والسلام
I show
على
you,
رسول الله.
I personally created them using just a prompt.
أعوذ بالله
Just a
من
prompt. I create everything
الشيطان
with AI. You can also do that when you
الرجيم.
master your prompts. Then I'm going to teach
الله
you how to
لا
create code,
إله
how to create
إلا
prompts
هو
before you can
الحي
start the creation. And the tool we are going to be
القيوم
using in this video is
لا
called InVideo
تأخذه
AI.
سنة.
So we are going to be using InVideo AI for the video creation. So let's first start create the prompts of the story we are about to create. So there are some words that we don't need to be using when chatting with ChatGPT. I know a lot of you may have made some mistake when chatting with ChatGPT. Something like give me prompts to do this, give me. I know that is not a correct prompt. Some professional prompts you can try when using ChatGPT is something like design. That is if you want to design, create. If you want to maybe a kind of create video. So these are some professional prompts you can use to chat with ChatGPT. So since we are creating a video, so we just say create a well detailed, ready to use prompt. Or let me just start as okay. Act as a content creator. Act as a content creator. Let me use this. Act as a content creator, comma. Create a well detailed, ready to use prompts. Ready to use prompts about the Rat Kingdom. Okay, Rat Kingdom. Telling the story of fats. Make it 8 seconds as scene for a full 30-second video. That is if you want to use 8 seconds. So I just need let me say make it 30 seconds per scene for a full story video. Let me just use something like this story video. So this is what I just want to create. So by asking ChatGPT here, it's going to give me a well detailed and ready to use prompt for Gemini. That is, if I want to use it for Gemini, you can see, or any AI video generator, as you can see. So just the reason why I say it's showing that for Gemini, because I normally use Gemini to create. So you can use this. You can see here is some short format instruction, as you can see. So we also have scene 1. You can see the scene 1, the whispers in the pipes, council of tales, as you can see, the rival Vatican. So all these are some prompts you can try. So let me just copy one out of these prompts so that we can use this to create our design, use to create the video using InVideo AI. So let's select text, from scroll down and copy this scene 1. So here's the scene 1 that I want to use, the whisper. So let me just copy this like this. I've copied it. Then head over to your Chrome browser, search for InVideo AI. As you can see it here, I have InVideo AI. You can see some kind of movies created with InVideo AI. I used to say example of a movie, epic journey of a warrior queen. You can see all these videos. You can see some samples. They are all created with AI using just a prompt. You can see pickup of 500 followers on YouTube. This one is a YouTuber and he gets up to 500 followers using InVideo. While this one is a YouTuber, also get video views in some weeks, as you can see. And also this one is, all these are happy clients. You can see all these ones. All these videos you are seeing, they are all realistic. None of these videos are real, and they are all created using just a prompt on InVideo AI. So let's get started. For you to get started, InVideo have two options. You have the paid version and also the free trial version. So we are going to use a free trial to create designs. So for you as a beginner, it's going to ask you to register. You are going to register, sign up with your email address and everything before you can log in. Because I already have an account, that is why it's showing that it's just taking me directly to my dashboard. And I don't almost all of my Gmails I've already used them to create account. I could have show you example, but I think with this, when you just register and get over to this dashboard, here is how it look like. This is how it look like. Just make sure you follow this step. Anything you don't understand, you can chat me up and I will show you how to do that. So as you can see, this is how it look like. So here you can see you can even create something for AI twins, recording, avatar, clone your voice to create videos. Like, it has so many features you can use when creating videos with InVideo. You can see create short video. Okay, I'm going to create a short video. So I will select fast paced. I want a fast paced video. YouTube shorts. Yes, I want it to be a YouTube short. I can choose, okay, maybe YouTube or TikTok or Instagram reels. So I'm using YouTube shorts. Then here I will, okay, YouTube shorts. Here I will paste my topic, what I want to create. You get it? So I'll use this. I just use this as my topic because that is the story I'm about to create. So I have it now. Then here you select what you want. If you choose generated clips, that is a good one, but it requires payment. That is, only those who are using premium accounts can use generated clips and generated images. So use the only stock images as a beginner. You can also add some background music. You can plus it, add some background music. You want a fast, energetic, or something good for your background, you can also do that. But I don't need anything like background music here, so I won't click on that option. So let's click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, as you can see, the video the scene is ready. As you can see, it's showing the prompts to use and the settings. using only stock media. So by doing this, just click on this arrow, and InVideo will start creating your video. Within some minutes, your video will be ready. So as the video is getting ready, I'm going to just show you some introduction to Canva, because actually we take I did some introduction about two courses yesterday, which was the InVideo and also the um Canva. So before the video is ready, I'll be showing you how Canva look like, because it normally takes 5 to 10 minutes before the video will be ready. So let's get into Canva. So for you to start using Canva, you have to register. Go to canva.com, register, create an account where you can have access to Canva to create a professional design. As you can see, I've logged into I already have an account, so it just take me to my dashboard directly. Though this is a free account I'm using, just because if I'm to show you with my pro account, you may not understand what I mean. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you how Canva look like. So in Canva, when you want to create a design, okay, let me just put it remove it from desktop side so that you can see it fully, how Canva look like on mobile. So this is how Canva look like on mobile. It also has have an AI feature that will allow you to create some designs using AI. But you can see it's not showing everything to get all, is not showing. So you have to make it to be in a desktop site so that everything is shown and you can access everything. With Canva, you don't need to bother yourself thinking of what to design. You just need to search for template, edit the template, and create professional designs. Once you master using template, then you can start creating scratch designs as well. You can learn how to create scratch designs with Canva. I'm going to share a tutorial video on that as we go on. So as you can see, all these are some designs on Canva. You just need to customize. Click on the one to use and customize. You can search, okay, I want to create a logo. Anything you want to create, just search this template. After searching this button, and it will show you some examples, some suggestions of what you can create with Canva. As you can see, here are some suggestions for logos. You can create logos. If I click on this, I can edit them. So whatever you want to use on Canva, you can do it here. So nevertheless, this is not the main thing I want to show you guys in this video. I'm just want to show you guys how to edit professional designs, that is your AI generated images, how you can edit them with Canva. Those errors you are seeing in your design, how you can clean them and also edit them with the color professionally using Canva. So how do you do that? So let me just pick one of our designs in the group so that I'll just show you how it looks like. Click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, then you select your gallery. As you can see, here is it. Click on see all. Okay, there are some samples here. So I have samples. So let me just check which one to use, which one to use, which one to use. Okay, here are some designs here. Let me just use this one as example. So I will be using this AI generated image as example. Okay, it has opened my gallery. Okay, here are some images. As you can see, I have some AI generated images here. So maybe I have some errors when creating my design with AI. Maybe the text is not what I want it to be on the design, and I want to clean the text. So it's very easy. Let's take example with this Narcos. This guy actually created a design using Canva. So instead of using Narcos, he uses Narcos site. So let me just click on add one, because I'm only editing one. So just click using a new device, new design. So by using it in a new design, you start creating the design, and the design will be ready for you. So after getting into this, then you click on, as you can see, I'm already into Canva. So how do we edit the error we are having in this design? Here is Narcos site not central instead of Narcos not central. It's very easy to edit this error. Very easy and very simple. We have what we call Magic Studio in Canva, and it's only available for those who are using Canva Pro. If you are using Canva Pro, you can do that. In case you may want to get access to Canva Pro, I do say Canva Pro actually. Canva is not for free actually, so I can't promise to give you free. So I only show you some hacks I followed to get it as well, and how to edit them. So just scroll down here and check for Magic Studio. If you are using Pro account already, just check for Magic Studio. So as you can see, just click on Magic Studio. By clicking on this Magic Studio, Then you see some suggestion of what Magic Studio is all about. You can remove background with Magic Studio. You can remove, you can see BG generator, you can generate background as well. You can erase. So I'm going to use Magic Erase. Yeah, I want to use Magic Erase because I want to correct error in this design. So I'll use Magic Erase. So let me reduce my brush a little so that I can be able to zoom and correct the error. So here we have narco site. So I want to remove this network. Okay, I want to remove the error in this design. So I'll just highlight. You can see. So as you can see, magic design here, I've highlighted this